Hello guys, today I'm going to be making some glitter slime. First time, I have a different background because I'm outside right now. But the thing I'm needing to make glitter slime is glitter glue. I got purple because purple's on fleek, but yeah. You're going to need a bowl and something to mix with. Now this is an option. I got shaving cream for 98 cents. So shaving foam, I guess what you call it. And your activator. I'm using Stealth Flow, but it's just in a bottle. So yeah. You also have like a whole lot more glue, but it's not glitter glue. So yeah. That's what I'm gonna need. You guys can use glitter glue and activator, but I'm using a little bit of shaving cream. Hopefully that doesn't mess that up. But yeah, I'm gonna use half a bottle of this, so let's go ahead. Ooh, did you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see. Okay. Ooh, okay. So that's it. I filled the bottom up. This feels pretty heavy with that glue. Guess the glue's pretty thick. Now you will add your shaving cream. So take that off. A little bit, shake it up. Uh-oh. Shake up some more. Something in here. Okay, that's it. Yeah, mix it up. I don't know why, but I like mixing it down here. I like mixing it down here a lot. Ooh, this is gonna be a pretty purple. Feels pretty thick. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. But now you wanna add your activator after you mix it all up. But let me mix a little bit better. Until you don't want to see any more glitter glue. It should be looking like this. You guys can barely see it, like this a little bit. If you're using purple, but now you want to add your activator. Time. It's already coming together. Is it? Oh gosh. There we go. Let's add some more. Oh gosh. That's why I don't like using Stealth though, because it's kind of weird. Let's mix it up a little bit. Like borax and Stealth Flow is it's kind of like watery slime. Like when you make it, it's watery, and it doesn't look stretchy at all. Like look at this. Like bricks. More activator. Hopefully I'm not messing up. Oh my gosh. I think it was a shaving cream. Because it doesn't feel like slime at all. I don't know what's happening. This is my first time using Stealth Flow, by the way. But people say it works, so let's keep mixing. I think it has to like get really, like the air might dry it a little bit, I guess, but it feels really watery. I like my slimes sticky. How do you guys like your slimes? But yeah. I mean, it feels like, oh, it is slime though. Some more, how about I say contact lens solution? Oh my gosh. Ooh. I guess it'll become a good slime. Okay, yeah. I'm just needing a little piece. It's very sticky. Okay, it's more. It's on my hands. don't know if I'm adding too much. I don't know what I'm doing. This is a little piece. So sticky. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix it a little bit more. Ooh. Okay. Try to get all of as much as I can. Trying to get all of it. Oh, get my eye. Oh gosh, it got my eye. Okay. Get the spoon off. Let's try to start kneading. See, stuff like it makes it so watery. And it takes a long time. Like the Airwick. But I guess it'll become a good slime at the end of the process. So, yeah. Okay, yeah. This slime's getting a lot better. You just have to be patient. Which I'm not. But yeah. It is very sticky still, but I don't want to add any more. Well, yeah, I just need it out. Oh, okay, I like it. Just mixing, kneading. It's a pretty purple. It's like a light purple. It just feels very watery at the beginning, but you just have to keep kneading it and it'll start to feel like slime. Ooh. If you guys, I don't know if you guys can hear it because somebody's engine just turned on. But it's like, it feels so nice. But it's so sticky. Ah! Add a little bit more. Ooh, scoot back a little bit. Okay. What if I had burned the storage container? It didn't. But yeah, so I guess I can't say it's StealthFlow, I guess that's what you say. It's a good sign. It actually is pretty a good activator. Glitter slime, I like glitter slime. I still have a little bit more. It's kind of easy to get out. People say it's pretty hard, but you just have to. You just have to let it like kind of like so all the glue can go down to the bottom. It's pretty good. Can you shut up? Like, be quiet, man. That's what your car looks like it's about to break down. Okay. Let's try to make a slime bubble. That sucked. I made a slime bubble with my other video. What I got from Walmart and 99cent store. I got a lot of stuff. So, my birthday's coming up in 13 days. My birthday is on January 14th. So, yeah. Oh, girl, sticky, man. So, my grandma's coming with my baby sister.
Slime time.
Yep. Ooh. It's so nice. StealthFlow? I can't say it. StealthFlow makes a good slime activator.
What's StealthFlow?
StealthFlow is the thing that I bought at the Walmart. The first thing I got. It's a slime activator. Borax, Tide, and contact lens solution.
What you make it up? That's what you put in that bottle right there?
Yeah.
So
that's why I bought it. Cause I didn't know how much I was gonna put in.
Yeah.
It had like a little needle in it.
You know what? You should need two of everything.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a good price. It's like $2.97. Oh. It's so nice. Yes, oh my gosh. It's so soft. That shaving cream made it so soft, you guys. I would recommend this. Glitter Glue shaving foam or shaving cream. I like to call it shaving cream because that's what it's supposed to be called. And your activator, Starflow, I would use Starflow. Oh my gosh, look how soft. It's so stretchy. It doesn't smell good. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like laundry detergent, but the Starflow doesn't smell that good. Kind of smells like bleach. Oh, got my nose. It smells like you get a little hint of cherry, like the smallest hint of cherry, and then it smells like bleach. That's what it smells like to me. It's so sticky. Whew, I'm tired. A little bit more Starflow, and we should be good. No more Starflow. This is cool. At first, I was having doubts in Starflow. Okay, girl, excuse me. At first, I was having doubts of the Starflow because it wasn't working. Okay, I'm sorry for this background noise. People are just crazy these days. But I was having doubts, as I was saying, and it was like all watery. But you just have to knead it, you know, become really soft if you have shaving foam. But it's pretty sticky. All my slimes are pretty sticky. I love. Ooh, watch this. I said. Was that a little slime bubble like that? I think it was a little bit. And this made a pretty good slime. Like, for real. There's like little glitter sparkles in it because it's glitter glue and the slime. But yeah, I was going to buy some paint, but I don't really like painting my slimes really, cause like some paints actually mess up your slime. Like one time, I had all the stuff right, and when I added the paint, it just messed it up. It was all crummy, and clumpy and all that, you guys. But when you don't add paint, like sometimes you get colored blue. I'll use food coloring, but like you're kind of wasting food because food coloring, I guess. But food coloring is not really that good for you because it colors your insides. It's that good. It's like dye. It's like paint basically, but it's just edible. Ooh, y'all hear that? It's so nice. Oh my gosh. I can just sit here and play with slime. Just sit. Let's try to make a swirl. I forgot about swirls. It's so sticky, I may not be able to do it. Oh gosh, I can't do it. Oh gosh. Okay, it was so sticky, I couldn't do it. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Leave it a thumbs up and comment down below what is your favorite slime. And yeah, thumbs up for Glitter Glue slime. And if you guys want me to do some more videos like this, just comment down below and I'll try to do some more videos. Okay. Ooh, it's so nice. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. Ooh. And I will be making another video like right after this because I got some things from my I got from Walmart 99-cent store. But you guys need to watch that. I don't want to give really any spoiler alerts. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and give it a thumbs up for Glitter Glue slime.